Hello there. Almost firework time. And I'll just speed up time real quick. Peace. Bye. And no, but not bye. Just fireworks in 3, 2, 1. Here are the fireworks. Yeah, a flaming school bus. A flaming school bus. Now, we're going outside to light them. Peace. First, I need to tell you, like and subscribe. Now we're going out. 3, 2, 1. Bye, guys. I am officially back. We're at the beach. It's actually a pretty nice beach. Yeah. And since now we're back, my dad has a bus. Yeah, my dad has a bus. The bus of ancient fortunes. What? Okay, that's weird. Yeah, so we're gonna be launching it over there. Yeah. Indy, stop. Get out. Now I'm going to wait. I'm filming still.
Make sure to plug your ear. No, I want to hear how loud it is. There's people at the beach.
Yeah, they're going to be in for a surprise, hey?
Yeah. Dad should probably tell them.
No, it's okay.
Are we 8 meters away now?
80. And yeah, we will be.
What meter? Oh, that hurt. But you are only 2 meters tall.
Everyone ready?
Yeah. No.
We're ready.
I'm not putting my ears.
Yep.
Gonna be up for a surprise. The people down at the beach are gonna be up for a surprise. Oh, he's liking Arlo. He's lighting it. He's getting trapped down the street.
That was so bad.
Yeah. Oh, it's like, Daddy,
Oh,
run!
here it goes.
Run! Oh. Whoa. 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 Whoa.
There's the fishies.
Whoa. I thought it was a fishy.
Yeah. We can kind of see them. Yeah, it's echoing, okay?
Fishes.
Yeah, those look neat.
That's insane, guys. Bro, now we're gonna see the bus's remains.
Hey guys, whoa, stop! You don't run at it, no.
Look. Look at that.
That's why you wait, guys, in case it's not fully off.
Guys, that was the fireworks. Now, we're gonna teleport back home. Peace, bye. Well, not bye. I'm gonna still be filming at home. So, peace. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys the bus after it dies. After it died.
Was that cool, guys?
Yes. Oh my God. Let me see. Holy crap! Look at that guy.
Can we rip
Can you
this
guys see that?
apart now? I'm gonna take a time.
Okay, we're gonna bring it home.
Guys, that's insane.
No. What?
I smell it.
That was cool.
I wish you guys can smell this. This is insane.
Spent. You can see them all.
I wanna drop it. I wanna hold it. Daddy, Can I hold it?
I know, me too.
I wanna hold it. Could I hold it? Yeah.
Where?
We need to go see if it's in the city. Was that the house back there?
One of these, yeah.
Gabby, come on, see if there's
Maybe
any
the
fish.
bugs are in his head. Yeah, it's one of those, yeah.
Guys, we need to go see if there's any fishing. Did you get it, Earl?
Guys, now I'm teleported back home. Peace, guys. Oh, whoa. We're back. Comment and share the fireworks. They're cool. So, yeah, those were pretty cool. Right now, it's 9 o'clock. Well, 10. I'm going to bed in an hour so I can post some more videos for you guys. So, oh shit.